Welcome to this video where we will explore MozBar. MozBar is a free SEO toolbar developed by Moz that help marketers and SEO professionals analyze websites directly from their browser. We will look at its features, benefits, and how to use it effectively. MozBar is a browser extension that works on Google Chrome. It provides instant SEO insights about any web page you visit without needing to open separate tools or reports. MozBar saves time by showing SEO metrics in real time. You can check a site's domain authority, page authority, spam score, and other important SEO details while browsing. MozBar offers features like page and domain authority display, keyword highlight, page analysis, link metrics, and SERP overlay to see SEO data on search result pages. Domain authority and page authority are key metrics in MozBar. They help you understand how strong a website or a specific page is in terms of ranking potential. Page analysis in MozBar lets you see on-page elements like title text, meta descriptions, headings, alt text, and word count for quick optimization check. MozBar provides link metrics showing the number of inbound links, followed and no followed links, and linking domains to a page or domain. The SERP overlay feature shows DA, PA, and link metrics directly in Google search results, so you can compare competitors without leaving the search page. MozBar can highlight specific keywords on any web page, helping you check keyword placement and density for SEO optimization. MozBar is easy to use, free to start with, and provide instant SEO data without needing multiple tools. It is ideal for quick audits, competitor checks, and ongoing SEO work. In summary, MozBar is a handy SEO toolbar for Chrome that provides instant insights on domain authority, page authority, keywords, and backlinks, making it perfect for quick and efficient SEO analysis. Thank you for watching. Install MozBar today and make your SEO analysis faster and easier right from your browser. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.